Hey friend, it's Amy here, the founder of Be Amplified, and I wanted to share with you today a meditation that is specifically going to support you in staying centered as you move through this busy holiday season. So you can sit or lie down for this practice, whatever feels best for you. And if you like to close your eyes, go ahead and close your eyes. Start to tune into your breath. And sometimes it's nice to take a deep breath in and sigh it out through an open mouth, letting go of whatever you were just doing and releasing what's to come, and pressing pause on your day and allowing yourself to just come fully home into this moment. And it may feel almost as if right when you press pause, right when you take that deep breath in and that complete breath out, choosing to arrive here in the moment, letting go of the past, letting go of the future, you start to receive. You start to receive yourself, your body, your breath. You begin to receive an abundance of energy that is actually always flowing to us. It is always available to us, but we often disconnect without even knowing by becoming extra distracted in the external world. So just feel yourself coming back home to yourself in this moment. And as you breathe in and out, see if you can experience this energy of receiving. See if you can allow all parts of you to be receptive and just receive. There's nothing to fix in this moment. There's nothing to figure out. There's no conversations you need to be having up in your mind. Just set all of that down and just become this vessel that is intended to receive. Each time you breathe in, you can feel a sense of being filled up. And as you breathe out, just relax and soften even more, becoming more receptive to taking in the nourishment from this moment. And see if it's possible for you to slow down the breath, becoming even more aware of how through the breath you are receiving. Breathing in life force energy and oxygen, and breathing out, feeling as though your body is like a sponge, just absorbing, soaking up all of that energy, that oxygen, that nourishment that is always flowing to you. Now take a moment to consider if there are any parts of your body that need a little extra nourishment right now. This could be an achy place in your body, or maybe it's an area that is injured or experiencing pain. As you breathe in and out, bringing that part of your body into focus, allow that area to receive even more. You can breathe right into that body part, or you could even imagine a golden light beginning to flow into that area, bringing healing energy to that part of your body. And sometimes our body feels great, and it's actually our mind that is hurting, or maybe it's our emotions that are feeling painful. And so you can also direct breath and energy to a pain point in your mind or in your emotional body. Are there any emotions right now activated inside of you that could use a little bit of soothing? Are there any negative thoughts that you're ruminating on that could use a little dose of positivity, that could use some support in possibly shifting your perspective? And lastly, now that you have filled yourself up and received the nourishment, the energy, the breath that you need, let your attention move outward into whatever's next for you today, or maybe off into the future if you have an event coming up or a gathering coming up. Or maybe there's a relationship in your life right now that needs a little attention. You get to choose, but we are going to now send some positive energy out to that event or that upcoming gathering, to that person you're going to be speaking with, or this relationship that maybe you have with someone that is difficult. And as you breathe in and out, can you allow for positive life force energy to infuse this gathering, this person, this relationship, whatever it is? Let it take in the nourishment that the universe is always providing. And if there are any messages that you want to send with that energy, any positive affirmations, a wish, a desire, just silently think what that might be for you and allow that message to travel with this positive energy and be delivered. And when that feels complete, bring your attention back to the flow of your breath moving into your body and out of your body. Once again, centering your attention inside yourself and feel the earth beneath you. Let your body rest down into whatever is supporting it. And bring both hands to rest right over your heart. Take a long, slow breath in and a long, slow, complete breath out. Repeat that once more, sealing in this time that you've given yourself to pause and receive, and to also direct positive energy out into your life where it's needed. Take one more deep breath in, complete breath out. I'm sending you so much love, so much positivity for this holiday season. Thanks for joining us.